Hi, we're the Mulfords. I'm Chuck, and this is my wife, Sandy, and welcome to our home.
Well, the problem was I was cooking and looking at a wall, and everybody was in the den, and so I was away from everybody.
We couldn't see the fireplace. We
No.
couldn't see the TV in the den.
Exactly. Chuck brought up, well, why don't we take out that wall? And I'm going, oh, take out the wall.
It was a matter of opening up the den, but keeping the formal dining room. So we still have some separation, but still a lot of openness.
Now I can stand there and cook and watch football and be with people.
Have the fire.
Yeah, have the fire going.
The scope of the project is fairly large. It entailed completely demolishing the kitchen and removing everything, pulling up the floors, and not only in the kitchen, removing the wall here between the den and the kitchen, then also taking up the floors in the dining room and in the living room, remodeling the powder room bathroom, redoing the laundry room, and recarpeting the workout room. So I mean, it's basically the entire downstairs other than our bedroom. One major challenge for the job, when you take down a wall, you need to obviously have some way of holding up the second story. We ended up with a post. We don't even see it anymore. It was so detailed out that we're proud of the post, okay? It makes the room. We're confident we have a job that's not going to give us problems years in the future.
I had a friend come over, and she came in the hallway, and she turned the corner to come into the den and the kitchen, and I thought she was following me, and I turned around and I said, well, come on. And she said, I just have to absorb all this. She said, I can't believe it's gorgeous. She just could not believe how beautiful and different this was, and how it's like a whole different house.
We would rate Atlanta Curb Appeal a 5-star plus on all dimensions of the job. Whether you think in terms of the initial planning of the project, the craftsmanship, whether you think about how the job was priced, in all aspects of the job, we'd rate them a 5-star plus.
Oh, absolutely. I'd go a 10. We just love it. We'd not even change a thing that they did. They just did a beautiful, beautiful job. And we would have him come back.
And we will have him come back. We're really thrilled with how Atlanta Curb Appeal helped make our vision become a reality.